Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Shy and this is my channel, Beauty by Shy. And so for today's video I have my boxycharm for the month of February. So yeah, if you guys want to know what I got in my box, then just keep on watching. Okay, so boxycharm is a monthly makeup subscription box. It's $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products every month for $21. The box is always valued at over $100. Sometimes there are, out of the year, maybe 1 or 2 months where we might end up getting 6 products, but most of the time it's 4 to 5 full-size products. Now this is, yeah, I joined boxycharm last year in January, so this is about a year that I've been getting boxycharm, and my makeup collection has grown so much since joining boxycharm. I really recommend them. It's a great box. I have no complaints. So yeah, if you're looking to build your makeup collection quickly, then I would say boxycharm is a good box to try. So when you open your box, I already opened it. I've seen what I have, but I have not played with it. So yeah, we will test it out. So when you open the box, you open it and your products are all there and you get a card. So every month boxycharm has a theme, and this month's theme is Afterglow. And on the back of the card it tells you what products you have in your box, a little description, and what they retail for. So this month is Afterglow. Okay, so I opened my box and the first thing I have is the Pharmacy Green Clean B facial cleanser. So I'm excited to try this. Let's see what it says. Pharmacy Clean B Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. It soothes and hydrates your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Pharmacy Clean B Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use. Keeping those with sensitive skin in mind, it is formulated with naturally derived ingredients like coconut sugar, amino acids, and a powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, and calendula, aloe, and licorice root. So yeah, this is by Pharmacy, the brand, and it retails for $22. So just with this product alone, you're getting your money's worth from the box. $21, $22. And I cannot wait to try this. Next, what I have in my box is the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. Everybody was like really excited for this in the box. So this is by Touch and Soul. Create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. And it retails for $18. And yeah, it's 1.01 fluid ounce. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a try, and I'm gonna put some foundation on. I don't have no foundation on at all. So let's see. It smells clean, like it smells like skincare, and it feels like a really, really soft moisturizer. I love how it smells because it's like really fresh scented, and it's not really strong. And one little more pump for the forehead. Okay, let's see. I feel like it did blur my pores. And like right here, when I look in the mirror, normally my smile lines are normally like real deep, and just like made them like smoother and like almost disappear. I'm shook. Oh my god, I really so far so like it. Put on a lot. Okay, now I'm going to take my Morphe M6 brush and I'm going to blend. Yes, and so far I really like it. I think I found my new favorite primer, y'all. Love it. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with some concealer, and I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus in the shade Light Ivory, sorry. And I'm just going to apply that under my eyes. And back with the same brush, and we are going to blend. And then I'm gonna go in with some powder just to set my under eyes real quick. I'm not gonna set the rest of my face. Just something light just for the day. Let's see. Okay, next what we have in the box is the Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. And everybody knows about this mascara because this is like the #1 selling mascara. So it's a mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara separates coats and curls lash to voluptuous perfection. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm saying this right. Acacia Senegal tree extract sets volume while film forming polymers lock your lashes in with a perfect curl. This alone is $24. It's a full-size product. Let me go in real quick and brush off this excess powder underneath my eyes. I have some falsies on, but I will put a little bit so I could blend them in. I've had this mascara before and I love this mascara. It does really curl and separate. I really like this mascara. So $24, again, more than the cost of the box, full size. Okay, so next in my box, I'm so sad though. We were getting a Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics, which I love Pretty Vulgar because their stuff is pigmented. Like in last month's box, we got the Pretty Vulgar translucent powder, setting powder. This powder is the bomb, like my favorite. We got that in last box. And we've gotten an eyeliner from them, we've gotten blushes from them, and this month we were getting a highlighter. Unfortunately, mine came broken. So I just made a big mess. This is what I have. It's all broken. Let me see. I'm not gonna try to rub that on my face. Let's see if I can swatch it. But it's a pretty color. Look, I swatched it. I really like it, but unfortunately it came broken. It's like pinky with gold tones. So it's Pretty Vulgar highlight. Allow your skin to catch shimmering swan highlighter. Allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlighter infused with glow loving light reflecting and pearlescent pigments. This highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness, and that retails for $32. I did email boxycharm and I'm just waiting for them to respond. Their customer service normally is pretty good. Like, I haven't had any problems with their customer service so far. So yes, I'm just waiting for them to respond, and hopefully they can have some type of solution for me. Okay, and then the last thing in the boxycharm is this Tristique Prime and Glaze Lip Crème. This is a 2-in-1 lip duo. Features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The color glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips and to leave behind a pop of shiny color. This retails for $25. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks like a Crayola. The bottom part pops off. There's a little lip balm right there. You know, I actually like this. My lips are kind of dry right now, but I like how this glides on because it doesn't go on really oily. Like, I don't like those lip balms that are like really oily and like slippery. So then you pull this up and you have your lip crème here. So it's a shiny color, so I'm assuming it's not gonna dry matte, and it leaves a pop of color. So it's, I'm guessing like it's not gonna be super pigmented. This is actually very cute. Oh, it's magnetic. See that? Magnetic. Yes, I like this. It's pretty pigmented actually. I like it. So yeah, that's everything we have in the boxycharm for this month. 5 items, and I don't know how this broke. Obviously it did come with this foam cushion, so it was, you know, packaged carefully. Could have been the postal carrier that just, you know, they like to throw shit around. I'm sorry, my hair's a mess, but anyways, I just got the box in the mail and I wanted to come film for you guys before it got any later in the month. So yeah, so far with this month's box, I love it. I enjoyed everything. I'm loving the primer. We all know that everybody's a fan of that mascara. That's the #1 selling mascara. Let's see, I'm loving the lip. Although I couldn't use the highlighter, I was able to swatch a little and it looked pretty pigmented and it was a nice color. And the facial cleanser, it sounds like it's awesome and I'm excited for it, so I will be trying that later on tonight. And I have variation box number 3, so in case anybody wants to know. And yeah, I will link the link for boxycharm down below if anybody wants to sign up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.